Hello guys, welcome back to Creation YouTube channel. Today I will be breaking down how to install and use the new pack ccGRIDS for Final Cut Pro. Once we have downloaded the pack from the store, we need to go to the Finder. We need to go to the download section, and then here we'll find our ccGRIDS Final Cut Pro zip. To unzip it, we need to double click it. When you have double click it and unzip it, we need to entry, and here we will find our Final Cut Pro manual in case you need it. And here is our pack. To install it is very easy. You just need to take it, drag and drop to the movies. We need to go to motion templates, and then as a title we need to put it in the title section. So this message appears to me as I have the ccGRIDS installed. This message will not appear to you, so we will go for stop. Once you have installed the pack, make sure your Final Cut Pro is closed. To refresh the title generators, so now we need to go to Final Cut Pro, and here is, for example, we will choose our project, and to find it you need to go on to the titles and generators section, and here is ccGRIDS. As I said, we have made it for all aspect ratio, so my project is a portrait, so I will go for a portrait 1, so I will choose, for example, the first one, the 2 squares. You drag and drop to the timeline, and here is. If you can see here, we have the lines appearing, you have the zoom, and then you have the 3D perspective. It's something new that we have implemented to the pack, as you can see. And then you have here your drop zone to put your logo. It's very easy to use. If you want to edit it, we need to go on the right part to the titles, and here we will find a build in and build out. You have the animation in and the animation off. As you can see, the line is animated. We also have the 3D perspective. If you want, you can go for on or off, and also you have the zoom in and zoom out. You can activate or deactivate it. And then as the grids are only 2, so here we have 2 drop zones. So I will show you how to put your image or video. You just need to click it, and then you need to find your footage. In my case, I will choose this one, and then go for apply. As you can see, the image has changed. You also have the position if you want to go to the left or to the right. You also have the scale if you want to make it bigger or smaller. You also have the second drop zone, and then you have the logo. If you want to put your logo here, let me show you. You have here the build out. You need a build out if you want to put your logo there. So you need to make the same steps, like choosing your footage or your logo, and then you also have the scale and position for that. And here on the bottom part we will find the colors. The color number 1 is for the line. If you can see here, if I change the color, the line is changing. And then if I change the number 2, if you go to the end, if you can see here, if I change to the green, it's changing to the green. And then here we have 2 things more. We have the blur. If you want the blur on the background here, you can turn it on or off. And also you have the opacity if you want to make it to 0 or 100. Let me show you another one. For example, with 4 grids, the menu is exactly the same. Also for the 4-5 portrait and landscape, we have all same menu. The only thing that's changing, if we have the grid with 4, we will have 4 drop zones and 4 colors to change and play for the lines and the outro. And also if we go for the 6 with the 6 grids, you can see here the menu is exactly the same. The only thing that's changing, we have 6 grids, and then we have more colors to play with it. So guys, I hope this tutorial has helped you to understand how to install and use better the ccGRIDS pack. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comment section. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to tag us in your content with the hashtag made with creation. And guys, thank you for watching and see you on the next tutorial.